Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you car lovers out there. It's the 50PC's Car Wash Cleaning Kit, a complete car detailing solution that's taking the market by storm. Before we dive into this incredible kit, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on reviews of top-notch products like this one. Alright, let's get started. Now, let me tell you why this 50PC's Car Wash Cleaning Kit is the best car detailing equipment you can find. It's brought to us by Gaslike, a brand committed to producing high-quality products for car enthusiasts like us. This kit is a game-changer, folks. Here are some of the key features that make it stand out from the rest. It's a 50-piece set that includes everything you need for a complete car detailing experience. The long-handled car wash brush is a star of this kit, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny with ease. It even comes with a set of spare replacement mop heads for your convenience. The 2-in-1 design lets you use it both as a mop and a brush, giving you a 180-degree cleaning angle. There are 5 different drill brushes and 3 polishing pads for both exterior and interior detailing. The grit trap works wonders in collecting dirt and preventing scratches while cleaning. Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside this comprehensive kit. In this amazing kit, you'll find car wash brushes, a grit trap, a car wheel brush, a car dash duster brush, a tire bristle, a car window squeegee, a car wash sponge, cleaning stone for tires, a car microfiber wash mitt, air vents brush, cleaning gel, microfiber towels, wire brushes, car foam drill polishing pads, drill brush car detailing, applicator pads, car detailing brushes, and glass washer cleaning tablets. One of the standout features of this kit is its professional quality. The brushes are soft, lint-free, scratch-free, and swirl-free, ensuring that your car's delicate surfaces are treated with the utmost care. Say goodbye to worrying about scratches and swirls. It's like giving your car a spa day. Whether you have a compact car or a massive RV, this kit has got you covered. It's a complete solution for washing, drying, waxing, and dust removal. Plus, it's ergonomically designed with 5 different brush sizes to conquer every nook, cranny, and lug nut with ease. And here's the bonus, folks. It makes for an amazing gift for any car buff in your life. With the power of washing, drying, waxing, and dust removal all in one set, your car will be shining like a superstar. Gaslike even included a nifty tool bag to keep everything organized. In conclusion, the Gaslike 50PC's Car Wash Cleaning Kit is a must-have for anyone who takes pride in their car's appearance. It's efficient, convenient, and comes with a variety of tools that will make your car detailing tasks a breeze. So, if you want your car to look its best, this kit is the answer. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your car-loving friends. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those cars shining.